morning, it's me again. My name is Wonder and welcome to Wonder's LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. You can find a lot of LED lighting products video show in my channel. And also some videos is related to how to communicate with the LED supplier in China, how to get support from them, get best price, best delivery time, and the best service from them. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe me. In today's video, I would like to introduce a 15 LED downlight. This is 15 wattage, mostly used for outdoor IP65, like outdoor parking lot, garden, and somewhere else, and we can change the direction of illumination. The frame is very strong. And we use lens, PMMA lens. The frame is optional. It has black color, white color, and silver color. We connect with a Mingwei driver. Also use waterproof connector. We had deal with waterproof on the wheels and connectors. If you like to learn more about LED lighting or how to communicate with your LED supplier, subscribe me. You can find more videos. Thank you so much for your watching today.